Ever walked into a room and wished she'd notice you without saying a word? You know, that moment when you're hoping to make a connection but you just don't know how to get her attention? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'll reveal secret tricks to get her attention fast, without even opening your mouth. We've all been there, feeling invisible, hoping for that spark. Let's change that together. 1. What catches her eye? Think about the last time you noticed someone across the room. What drew your eyes? Was it their smile, their style, the way they carried themselves? We're naturally drawn to certain things, and it's usually not about words. It's about that unspoken energy, that certain something that makes someone stand out. Let's break down what really works, those subtle signals that can make all the difference. Because let's face it, sometimes the loudest message is the one said without a single word. 2. Stand out with your stance. Your posture speaks before you do. Imagine seeing someone slouched in a corner versus someone standing tall, shoulders back, owning their space. Who are you more likely to approach? Confidence is magnetic, and it all starts with how you carry yourself. Think of it like this. You're not just standing there, you're presenting yourself to the world. A straight back says, I'm confident, relaxed shoulders say, I'm approachable, and a genuine smile, well, that says, come on over and say hi. It's about feeling good in your own skin and letting that confidence radiate outwards. You got this. 3. Dress to impress. Clothes don't make the man, but they sure help. Think of your clothes as your outfit for success in the game of love. Choose outfits that fit well and show your personality. Are you a jeans and t-shirt kind of guy? Great. Make sure they fit you just right. Maybe add a cool watch or a nice pair of shoes. Do you prefer a more put-together look? Fantastic. Find shirts and pants that flatter your physique and showcase your unique style. The point is to feel confident and comfortable in what you're wearing, because when you feel good, you look good, and that confidence shines through. 4. Little details, big impact. Grooming, my friends, grooming. A fresh look and a little attention to detail really do go a long way. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing you care. A clean shave or a well-groomed beard, styled hair, and clean nails all show that you take pride in your appearance. And hey, let's not forget about a subtle scent. Just a little cologne can go a long way. It's about feeling good in your own skin. And honestly, those little details can make a world of difference. Remember, you deserve to feel confident and attractive. So, take that extra minute to put your best foot forward. 5. The power of a glance. Eye contact is everything, but don't stare, okay? That's just creepy. A confident glance, then look away, can be intriguing. It's like saying, I saw you and I like what I see. Hold her gaze for a beat, just long enough to connect, then look away with a little smile. It's a silent conversation starter, a way to pique her interest without saying a word. Remember, your eyes are the windows to your soul, so use them wisely and watch the sparks fly. 6. Let your smile shine. A genuine smile is your secret weapon. It's disarming, it's inviting, and it's contagious. It's like saying, hello, I'm approachable and friendly. People are naturally drawn to positivity, and a warm smile is the perfect way to radiate that. Think about someone you love, something that makes you happy, and let that joy shine through your smile. It's about letting your guard down, showing your true self, and inviting her in. You'd be surprised how much a simple smile can brighten someone's day, including your own. 7. Be present, be engaged. Put away your phone. Seriously, nothing is more attractive than someone who is present and engaged in the moment. Put away the distractions and focus on the world around you. Engage in conversations, listen attentively, and show genuine interest in the people you're with. Being present shows that you're confident, approachable, and interested in connecting with others. It's about making the people around you feel seen and heard, and that's a quality that never goes unnoticed. Remember, you don't need words to make a lasting impression. Sometimes the most powerful communication happens without saying a thing. Try these tips next time you're out, and let me know how it goes in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life advice. Bye!